Now, with concerns over rising youth violence, we looked at the most recent data from Prince George's County from the year 2021, which does not share how many arrests were of people 17 and under.
But it does show 2 arrests were made by the emergency services team and 86 arrests for carjackings, up from 77 in 2020. And to help us put those numbers in context, we have team coverage tonight. Our Mara Carbone is in studio with us tonight with new information about some of the factors, mental health and otherwise, associated with teen violence.
But first, we want to get to our Yamarie Sase in Prince George's County. And Yamarie, the local school district held a safety meeting in response to that school bus attack, and families are really concerned about this.
Yeah, that's right. Tonight's event was actually held by the council member Crystal Orietta in partnership with the school board and many other leaders here in Prince George's County. Now, mainly parents say that they want to work with leaders to find a better solution to improving the school system and creating a safer space for students.
I just have overall concerns about safety and how that's truly being addressed.
Jana Parker is a mother of 2 teens in Prince George's County schools. Just like many other parents and residents, she has concerns after hearing 3 teens attacked and attempted to shoot a student on the school bus.
I have concerns from the perspective of not just the children, but also our bus drivers, our workers, our teachers. A lot of times we have to think about this as a community issue. Holistically.
Parents say they want to see more resources and support for students to prevent something like this from happening again.
If we could have done something to change the course of those individuals' lives to even think that that was appropriate and make sure that they did something other than that.
Police Chief Malik Aziz says the solution to youth crime requires everyone's efforts.
We are a team, that we are 50-50, that the police are not a single solution. The community is a greater solution.
Board of Education leaders say they're investing more into security safety in schools. And on the county level, they're putting money towards after-school programs, violence prevention, and support for parents.
I think that definitely there's room for improvement in PGCPS, but I think that every segment of the community needs to be involved.
It's all of us together coming together to fix the situation and to look at our children as a village that we're all responsible for raising.
Now, many other topics were discussed tonight, including truancy, more officers in schools, and also the search for the new CEO of the school system. Now, as for that school bus attack, Baby K, known as the 3rd suspect in this case, who was accused of pulling that trigger, but because that gun jammed, that child's life was saved. But he is supposed to be in court tomorrow for a bond hearing. For now, reporting in Suitland, Maryland, I'm Yamarie Sase, DC News Now.